In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Adobe Acrobat subscription. If you no longer need your Adobe Acrobat plan, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside your Adobe account so you can find the cancellation option quickly and avoid getting stuck in the account menu. Start by going to your Adobe Acrobat home dashboard. This is the main page where you can access your Acrobat tools and account-related options. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Adobe account before continuing, especially if you use more than one account. That will help you avoid managing the wrong subscription. Once you're on the dashboard, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where Adobe keeps settings, account details, and subscription options. If you don't immediately see everything you need, don't worry. The next option will take you to the correct section. From that profile menu, click on My Plan. This area is where Adobe shows your current subscription details, billing information, and any available actions related to your account. It's basically the control center for managing your Acrobat plan. After that, look for Adobe Acrobat Pro and click on Manage Plan underneath it. This will open the plan management page where Adobe gives you more specific options for changing or ending your subscription. Depending on your account type, the wording may look slightly different, but the location is usually very similar. Next, click on Cancel Your Plan. If you're on a paid subscription, this is the option you'll want to select to begin the cancellation process. If you're still in a free trial, instead of a paid plan, you may see an option to cancel your free trial rather than cancel your plan. That's normal, and you should choose the cancellation option that matches what your account currently shows. At this stage, Adobe may ask you to review your plan details or confirm your decision before the cancellation is finalized. Just read each screen carefully and continue through the prompts until you receive confirmation that the subscription or trial has been cancelled. As a final tip, it's a good idea to check for a confirmation email or return to your plan page afterward to make sure the cancellation went through successfully. That way, you can be confident your account has been updated properly. And that's how to cancel your Adobe Acrobat subscription.